Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase L from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a long line down on the left. Now from the top, let's curve it over to the right. Now let's bring it down, stopping halfway. Then at the bottom, let's draw a curve out. Now from the end, let's bring it down. And then a line at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for the shape of the letter L. Now let's move in and draw the eyes. Let's start inside, next to the mouth, and let's draw a square shape like this. And then inside, let's draw an angled line down. And now underneath this line, a square shape like this for the pupil. And now let's draw the right eye tucked behind. Let's start from the top and draw it up and over. Then let's curve it down and then back in. Next, let's erase the overlapping line inside. Now inside, let's add a diagonal line down. And then a bent line for the pupil. And then let's color both of the pupils in black. And that's it for lowercase L. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!